Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show and discuss how we record the video of the test script execution by using the Playwright and JavaScript. Playwright provide a feature to record the video. We don't need to use any external plugins as well as there is not much configuration. This is very easy task, right? We can record the video. So you can open the official sites of the Playwright, select the Node.js and scroll down and you will see left side there is option video. Click on this page will open. Here you can see there is option record video. So Playwright test can record the videos for your test controlled by the video option in your Playwright config. So we can add a video option in Playwright config. We don't need to do anything. Just pass the corresponding value of do not record video on record video for each retain on failure. So when we pass this value, it will record the video for each test, but only put the failed test, but remove all the videos from successful test run. On first retry means it will uh, record the video when we have a retry option. So first time after the failing test, if it retry, then it will capture the video. So let's see where we pass this video option in config file. So I have already one framework, so I continued on the next tutorial in the same framework. So if you want to go from scratch, like how we set up all these things, you can watch the my previous videos. So just we need to pass here the video and then value as discussed. We can pass off on first retry, retain on failure. So I mention here on, right? So it will record the video for each test. So video colon the value on or off. So let me run and you will see it will record the videos of all the test cases. So now I am going to run the test, all the tests which are available under the test folders on the Chromium browser only. So enter. So recording started. These are the very small test scripts. Okay. And once the execution done, we will see the result. So execution completed and you can see result is automatically opened here. If I go here, you will see with each and every test there is a button, video button, okay, for each and every test. So if I select any test, you will see it will open the video. So like click here, you can see video is added here and we can play also the recording for each test, and these are the test steps which is executed. Okay, if I go in the folder, right, there we can also see the videos are saved. Here you can see test result. Click here and it's stored all the videos in each files. For each test you will see video is available here, and at the end there is HTML file which is opened here, and second is .xml JSON file. So videos along with the test scripts, videos along with the execution report is available here. Playwright report, here one more report is generated. Okay, and this is also contain the videos, all the videos we can see here. So two reports generated, one is the test under the test result, second is the under the Playwright report along with the videos. Okay, let me remove these two reports, and going to change the configuration here. So this I will mention off. So if I will mention this off, so it will not record the video. So let's see. Execution done, and now you can see report is generated. If I open the report, right here you can see video is not recorded, uh, right? So there is no link of the video. And if I go into the folder, then you will see there is no recording video. So this is the Playwright report, only as index.html, and in other folder, test result folder, you can see only the report HTML as well as the JSON file is available. Okay, next we can set this on first retry. Okay, and we can mention here a retry equal to a retries passing 1. Okay, so it will retry when the test failed, and after the retry it will record the video. Now running the test. Okay, so execution done, and now here you can see we can see the links where the test is failed, right? So this file upload and download, this test failed. Here we can see the video recording. Here is also video recording. So two tests failed here, and for both tests we can see the recording. If I click here, you will see video is attached here. Play this, we can see the execution. If I go into the folder here, reveal in file, if I open the result, you will see only two videos are recorded. For the two tests, the videos recorded here, and this is the retry one. You can see here. If I go in the Playwright report, here you can see also only two videos are recorded. Okay, other option here we can pass retain on failure. So in this case, when we run, it will record the video of all the test execution, but it will retain only the video where the test is getting failed. Okay, so let me change this 0. So I'm not going to retry and going to run the test. Okay, so now a report is generated, two tests is failed, and with both tests, you can see video is attached. The rest of the test, it's not attached, it's not created. Okay, so hope this will be helpful to generate the recording of the test execution by using the Playwright. And if you like the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe the channel, and also share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching the video.